Hi everyone, welcome back to Leena's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We will talk about
fraction on a number line, fraction part 2.
so this video gonna be in a fraction in a number line.
Using a number line to show fractions can be a very helpful way to represent how a whole is divided equally into parts.
So the key word is divided equally into parts.
Yeah, and then
Okay.
like we're doing number line.
So let's see now the demo.
So
See, this is a number line.
Except it has no number.
How we can make it half? So there is steps. So you have to follow. Draw a number line, which is done here.
It's already here.
Yeah. So now mark 0 on left side. Yes, left side 0. And 1 on the right end. The next, find the middle point between 0 and 1.
Right there, that red dot.
Yeah, can you circle it? And put a dot there. Good.
Yeah, we did that.
Yeah, that will represent half. Okay.
What does that even say?
Yeah, let's go to the next slide.
That says 1 by 2.
So now draw 1 quarter.
Yeah.
So how can we do that? Let's see, Leena.
So there's the number line.
The number line, and there are the steps here again. So 1 quarter is 1 by 4. Draw a number line there. Wait.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So now draw a number line with 0. 0 should be here. You can write there. And then 1 at the end. Now divide the space between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. So this is 1 part.
Yeah, and then
that is 2 part. And that's 3 part, 4 part. So 1, 2, 3,
and then
4.
This is 4.
Okay, now put a dot above the first mark. So dot here.
Yeah.
Right?
And then
So that will represent what?
1 by 4. Or
1
4.
by 4. Numerator by denominator. Right?
So the numerator is the 1. We're talking about a 1. And then the denominator is the 4. That's
total part.
Yeah, the total part.
Good.
It's like, so that's why there's 4 spaces.
Yeah. Okay. So let's move to the next slide. So now 3 quarter again. There is this step.
Yeah. So that's the number line.
Yeah. So 3 quarter use the same number line. Here is 0. That's 1. Now divide into 4 equal parts again. So 1 here.
1 there and 1 there.
All right. So now count 3 marks starting from 0 and put a dot above that third mark. So this is 1, 2, 3. This
so
will be
that
3
will
by
be 3.
4.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
that and then
So
4.
total numerator is.
So the numerator is 3. We're talking about 3. And then the denominator is the how much total spaces there are. There's 4. So that's the 4.
And that's how we make third quarter in the number line.
So
example number 1. Okay, so what is that example?
Look at this number line. It starts at the 0 and ends at a 1.
Which represent the whole. Yes, the whole number, okay?
Yeah.
And then next.
Do you notice how it is split into 5 parts?
Yes.
1, 2, oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. So, next.
That means our denominator must be 5. The numerators should go up in
consecutive order.
One after each other.
Yeah. So for example, what we can do, like if we want 2 parts, so this will, you can just write. So this will be what, Leena?
That will be 1 by 4.
No, this time is
Oh yeah,
5.
1 by 5.
So numerator
No.
is 1,
And
denominator is
it's
total
5.
number. So
Total
this will be,
2 by 5.
and you can
And
do
then
the
3
rest,
by
please.
5. 3 by 5.
Mm-hmm.
4
By,
wait,
you don't have to be
No,
perfect
it's fine.
4, that's fine.
4
Mhm.
by 5. Then 5
by
by
5.
5.
Yeah, so
And
that's the fraction for this number line. Yeah,
then
the same.
That was.
Yeah, correct.
Mm-hmm.
So example number 2.
This number has been split into 8s since there are 8 parts, but we have a fraction missing.
So it has 8 equal parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which one you think it's missing?
I think like it says like 1 and then 2 then 3. This is the numerator.
So this is
then
one.
a
Yeah.
6 then a
Can
7
you
then
put
an
the?
8. Sure.
Yeah. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4
something.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7,
So
8.
what you think? What is the denominator here?
I think since I said 5 on
No,
the
denominator. Remember
Yeah.
what I asked you?
8. That
Yes.
would be an 8.
Because it's an 8 number.
And then since I
Total.
said 5 when it was 6, that should be 5.
So you're thinking of 5.
5 out of 8. Or
Yeah, so the fraction will be 5 out of 8. Yeah.
What fraction is, yeah?
Yeah.
Is that?
So, right.
It is 5.
Therefore, the missing fraction is 5 is out of
Yep.
8. So example number 3. So now what, Leena? This is the number line again.
Yep.
And then
I think I know what to do.
what is here, Leena? So this is a 1,
So that's
2,
1, 2,
3.
3, 4. Oh, there is no 3.
So 8,
No.
9, 10.
Wait.
What will be the denominator here for this fraction?
I think it's a 10.
Yeah, so you can mark 10.
Yeah, put 10 this way.
Yeah.
You could do those too. Okay. We do it on that way.
So we know the
I
denominator.
think
Now,
the numerator.
this is also here. Denominator is 10 here too. Since it's a total number is 10.
Yep.
Now, what point we are thinking?
On that one, I think it might be 3.
Yeah. Why?
Because
So
it has a 1 and a 2 and then 4.
So,
but in the middle should be 3.
So 3 equal parts here, right? Look at the portion here. So 3 is to 10.
So then this should be, since this is a 6, I was 7, but now I'm 8. So it should be 7.
Okay, so 7 is to 10. And that will be
9.
9.
Because
So
in
the
1 year I'll
fraction.
be 9.
Good. So 9 by 10. So let's see if we are correct. There you go.
Yeah. Oh, yep. 3,
Yeah,
7,
right.
9, 10.
Okay, so fraction quiz number 1. Let's see, what is the fraction quiz? We have to think of the fraction. What is fraction actually?
The fraction. It has the
What is the two main word for fraction?
For the denominator, it is total. And then the
upper part
numerator is thinking.
Yeah, so number up and down. It has fraction has 2 numbers.
Yeah.
Upper number is numerator and
thinking.
Yeah.
And then numerator is the total number.
Yeah. So the gap,
Something.
fill in the blanks, is the number of object we are thinking about. So what will be that?
Let's see. We have some choices
A,
here.
denominator, B, numerator or line.
I think it's numerator.
Numerator, yeah. Because we're thinking, yeah.
It's okay, we don't need to.
Can you
It's gonna
just
be really quick.
Yeah, just we have to mark it, right?
Okay.
So denominator is the right answer.
Yeah.
And let's see. Move. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, numerator.
Yeah. And why? Because the numerator
You could read.
numerator is the number of parts we are considering or thinking about in a fraction. Very important word, right?
Now next one, fraction quiz number 2.
Yeah. So what represents the total number of objects?
I know this.
A, denominator, B, numerator, and third line. What is the main word here? What is
Denominator.
denominator, and why you think that?
I think because it says total.
Yeah.
And then, you know how I said that numerator is thinking? It had the thinking, it was in there, the other one, another slide, and it was in red too, and all the rest was blue.
We can do that too. So denominator is the right answer.
That's C for right.
Yeah.
Denominator.
Yeah, because why it's denominator?
Denominator represents the total number of the equal parts into which the whole is divided.
Very good. So fraction quiz number 3. Let's see. So here's the question. You had 5 sweets, but then ate 3.
This is not really like a test. Not really.
So what fraction of sweets have you eaten?
Wait.
Can you put the
3 out of 5. That's what I think.
Yeah.
So 3/5.
So A 3 by 5, B 2 by 5, 3 5 by 3.
This one.
And why you think that?
That's 3 by 5.
Why you think that?
Because I think that because the number that we're thinking of is the number 3, and then the total number is the number 5.
So you have total 5 sweets, and you ate 3.
Yes.
You ate 3. Yeah. So fraction of sweets have eaten is 3 by 5. Next. So fraction quiz number 4. Let's see what we have this time. So a clown was juggling 5 balls, but
7.
sorry, I can't read. Thank you for correcting me. A clown was juggling 7 balls, but dropped 5. What fraction of balls
did he drop?
What are the options?
Let's
1 2 by 7, 2 B 7 by 5, 3 5 by 7.
I have an answer.
So Leena, first you go have an answer. You have to think of the fraction and which is numerator and denominator. So what is the denominator here?
The denominator is 7.
Yeah, it's a total balls
And
there,
then,
right?
yeah, the total. And then the numerator is 5.
Dropped 5.
Yeah.
So yeah, so you can
I
make.
was gonna circle that. I was gonna circle this.
So this
What
is the
says
right
that?
answer. Good. Yeah. So the
5
correct
out of
answer
7.
is 5 by
5
7
sevens.
because clown dropped 5 out of 7 balls. You were juggling. No. Do you know how to juggle?
No, I tried to.
Yeah. So fraction quiz number 5. Let's see the next question. So a cake is cut into 4 pieces. 3 pieces of cake are eaten. What fraction of the cake is left?
I know.
Leena, this is tricky.
I know.
Can you?
I know what left means.
Okay, so what do you think?
I think it is the first one. Can you please look at the first one?
First one, you think?
Yeah.
And why?
Wait.
So what?
Since the denominator is 4, we just keep 4 there. But the numerator is not a 3. It says left. If there was 4 pieces of cake and we ate 3, how much was left? That's subtraction. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. So this should be a 1.
Very good. Yeah, it's only 1 piece left, right? So let's
For
see.
someone.
Your answer is correct.
Yay!
Yeah.
4.
This is because 3 out of 4 pieces have
been
eaten.
eaten.
Yeah, and
There is 1 piece out of 4 left, which is 1/4 of the cake. Yep.
very good. Okay, let's go to the next. Final
word,
word. Woo! So what we learned today?
We learned about number lines of fraction. That's what it means. Some workout examples and some workout examples.
Yeah, and those examples were very nice examples. Yeah, it's tricky, but you did it very well, Leena. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's
I
see.
think that's it.
Yeah, so thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.